Good morning, everybody. It's very exciting for me to see so many customers and potential customers of ours. Today we're going to hear from some incredible brands, some fantastic organizations who have taken the technology and they've applied it in their business context, and they're getting tremendous benefits from using this technology.
What I'd say is that the RPA has given us a level of compliance in our process and a richness to our data that we didn't have previously, and that's what's given us the opportunity to use complementary digital technologies on top of RPA. We selected Blue Prism for two reasons, primarily. Firstly, because they were wholly compliant with our IT security policies, and secondly, because it represented the most intuitive and user-friendly system for our RPA developers to operate with.
We are in type of processes, especially with medical and health area, where by law we cannot automate 100%. So I'm giving you this example because it's very important also to know your industry and to know also in terms of compliance and GDPR, what are the limits.
I think my favorite talk was the person who focused on the governance. The governance is kind of an issue what you really need to do as a larger company when you operate in many countries. Then it makes really sense to start on thinking on that from the beginning.
Using this model and again using this framework, we get to a position where we say yes, whether it's RPA, whether it's machine learning, whether it's AI, whether it's analytics, this model should satisfy that. And as I've shown you through the various experiments that we've done, we've actually hands-on run through the model.
OCR reads the document, and then the AI essentially then starts to interpret the document. You can see how that digital worker really starts to become a reality quite quickly.
What Aviva were talking about with regards to connecting to Appian and having it to orchestrate AI, OCR on top of the Blue Prism sort of foundation. So I thought that was really interesting.
Today it's been really great to collaborate with people who are following a similar process to ourselves, an ability to network with others, to understand that we're not alone, and to also understand that basically some of the challenges that we face, others have faced as well. So at least it gives us a level of assurance that we're on the right track.
Lots of technologies are easy when they're small scale, but the problem we often find with so many technologies is that as you then attempt to scale, the benefits fail to accelerate and the costs meanwhile go up and up. With Blue Prism it's the opposite.